As always, the point is this.
$22 million in 3 fucking hours! Can you believe it?
Money, power, women, drugs. Money, power, women, drugs. Money, power, women,
show goes on.
drugs. Money, power, women.
This is my home! They're gonna need a fucking wrecking ball to take me out of here! They're gonna need to send in the National Guard, a fucking SWAT team, cause I ain't going nowhere!
Let me tell you something. There is no nobility in poverty. I have been a rich man and I have been a poor man, and I choose rich every fucking time. So you listen to me and you listen well. Are you behind on your credit card bills? Good, pick up the phone and start dialing. Is your landlord ready to evict you? Good, pick up the phone and start dialing. Does your girlfriend think you're a fucking worthless loser? Good, pick up the phone and start dialing. I want you to deal with your problems by becoming rich. You be ferocious. You be relentless. Now let's knock this motherfucker out of the park. 25 grand to the first cocksucker to nail a bullseye.
My name is Jordan Belfort. Not him. Me. That's right. I also gamble like a degenerate. I drink like a fish. I fuck hookers maybe 5-6 times a week. I have 3 different federal agencies looking to indict me. Oh yeah. And I love drugs.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm all right. Good job. You get in there safe, all right?
Next time, brother.
Till next time.
Yep. On a daily basis, I consume enough drugs to sedate Manhattan, Long Island, and Queens for a month.
Okay, Mr. Jordan.
I take Quaaludes 10 to 15 times a day for my back pain, Adderall to stay focused, Xanax to take the edge off, pot to mellow me out, cocaine to wake me back up again, and morphine, well, because it's awesome. More than make them. Enough of this shit'll make you invincible. Able to conquer the world and eviscerate your enemies. Oh! And I'm not talking about this. I'm talking about this. See, money doesn't just buy you a better life, better food, better cars, better pussy. It also makes you a better person.
Name of the game? Move the money from your client's pocket into your pocket.
Hey, fellas! Look what I found in my pocket! Look! A year's salary right here! What I call them? Fun coupons! See that? A fun coupon!
I'm curious about your bank secrecy laws here. Under what circumstances would you be obligated to cooperate with an FBI or U.S. Justice Department investigation, for example?
If the U.S. Justice Department sent us a subpoena, it would become papier toilette. We would wipe our ass with it.
The United States government wants to get me a subpoena? Here's what we do with subpoenas at Stratton Oakmont. Fuck you, USA! Fuck you! 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 What are you fucking cocksuckers?
A nigga like me is going insane!
Fucking legend! We got plans up here that's gonna take this company